Welcome back, everyone, to yet another deep dive. Today, we're diving into EON Reality's groundbreaking new white paper, Learn, Train, Perform for Future Skills, Jobs, and Income. It's all about how XR, powered by AI, is transforming education and creating opportunities worldwide.
The paper highlights three major pillars: future skills, jobs, and income. EON Reality's platform uses immersive learning to accelerate skills acquisition by up to 4 times, while increasing retention by 30–60%. This could be a game changer for industries like healthcare and manufacturing.
And it's not just about learning, it's also about how people can connect these new skills to real jobs. EON Reality's career development mentor tool guides users through personalized career pathways and helps them bridge the skill gap.
That's huge, especially when we consider the global workforce displacement due to automation. By using AI-powered career guidance, people can find the right path toward sustainable employment, even in a changing job market.
There's also a significant focus on entrepreneurship. EON Reality's AI-powered entrepreneur guide helps users create their own ventures, guiding them from idea to market-ready products. This is particularly vital in economies hit by automation, where creating new businesses can be a path to financial independence.
It's a holistic approach to tackling economic inequalities and equipping individuals for the future. The white paper even shares success stories, like healthcare education reducing errors by 87% and advanced manufacturing companies ramping up workforce skills faster than ever.
Incredible stuff. If you want to dive deeper into how immersive learning is reshaping the future, be sure to check out EON Reality's white paper. You can find the link in the description.
It's definitely worth reading. And stay tuned for more insights on how XR and AI are changing the landscape of education and employment globally.
Thank you so much for joining us on yet another deep dive. And remember, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep diving deep, everyone.